So last year, the Toyota Crown showed up on our shores for the first time in half a century. Now Toyota wants to make up for that lost Crownless time by pulling a DJ Khaled and bringing us another one. Say hello to the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia.
Yep, this is an SUV, an actual SUV this time, not the raised sedan crossover look of the original Crown last year. Here, we've got a helpful guide for these two.
Crown Signia. Crown Sedan.
It's a bit smaller than the existing Highlander, but usefully larger than the Venza. There will be just two trims at launch. The XLE model rides on 19-inch alloys, whereas the Limited goes big on 21s. Important to note that Canada only gets the Limited.
So the Crown Signia does look a lot like the sedan, but with a few different touches that, from the front on anyway, really set it out on the road. So you've got these really thin headlights with the hammerhead design, and then the main headlights are down here, really subtle. You've got this cool body color grille that kind of just melts into the front end. And then of course you go into the side and it's really long. It looks long. It's actually slightly shorter than the sedan, but with that really extended window line, you get kind of a wagon vibe. And to that end, this thing's barely taller than the regular sedan. Inside of the Signia, at least from the B-pillars forward, is the same basic setup as the Crown, and I'm okay with that. You've got these bronze metallic highlights in the dashboard, you have a new saddle brown leather interior, which looks really great, and you have the best vertical wireless charger in the game. I also have to point out that there are twin 12.3-inch screens in front of you, both the instrument panel and the touchscreen.
Power adjustable front seats are standard, and the Limited brings in a memory function plus ventilation. Blitzing the place up is an available fixed glass roof, but don't expect the one-touch frosting available in the Venza, just a retractable shade. Now, why do we keep mentioning the Venza? Well, a Toyota spokesperson confirmed that while there will be some overlap between the two models, the Signia effectively replaces it. The Crown aligns much better with the rest of the larger two-row set as well.
So one of the funky party tricks in the Signia, because it's only an inch shorter than the Crown but much longer than the Venza, is you have a lot more cargo space back here with these fold flat seats, and this little thing, an extendable cargo shelf. You put this down and you can fit items up to 6.5 feet long in the back of the Crown Signia.
And the releases are accessible from the cargo area. The liftgate itself is powered and opens with a kick. No matter which trim buyers opt for, they'll find the same powertrain, the 243 horsepower version of Toyota's 2.5-liter hybridized four-cylinder with standard all-wheel drive. Toyota expects a 36 mile/gallon combined rating and promises 2,700 pounds of towing capacity.
When the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia arrives next spring, it'll bring Toyota's full hybrid lineup to 19 vehicles. Expect more pricing and further details early next year.